ease of use, performance you can rely on, and quality you can expect. The R4 can be used most anywhere, including framing, cement board, plastic, or even light gauge steel. The recessed star drive virtually eliminates stripping with its 6 points of contact. The underhead pockets and cutting teeth help the screw countersink with ease and finish clean. The case-hardened steel used eliminates twisting and snapping. C-threads enlarge the hole to eliminate splitting, increase draw strength, and reduce friction for low torque load. The W-cut on the first few threads of the screw acts like a saw blade, reducing torque and making install easier. And lastly, the self-tapping zip tip allows the screw to be installed without the need for pre-drilling. All of this with peace of mind that every screw is code approved for use in pressure-treated lumber and with structural values under ESR 3201. The GRK R4 multi-purpose framing screw for just about any fastening situation you can imagine.